Good morning, everyone. Let's start our day together and smile.
Mom, is my bag ready for school today?
Yes, it is ready. Please hurry, but stay calm.
School is over. I feel happy and free now.
Dad, can I ride my bike outside now?
Yes, you can. Please be careful and stay nearby.
I love riding my bike so much.
I see you, Jack. Have fun and be safe.
This is a good day in my neighborhood. I always leave my bike right here. Everything feels safe. I am not worried. Hello, it is nice to see you today. I am tired now. I think I will stop playing. I will go back and get my bike. My bike should be right here. Wait, my bike is not here now. Maybe it is nearby. I will look around. I feel worried. My bike is really gone. I need help. I should tell my mom. Mom, my bike is missing. I cannot find it.
Okay, tell me slowly. What happened exactly? Let us think together. Where did you leave it?
I feel sad. I really love my bike.
It is okay. We will find out together. Hello, did you see Jack's bike nearby today?
No, I did not see it, but I can help.
Let us stay calm and check carefully.
We need help. Please help us find Jack's bike. Calmly.
I left my bike near the fence after riding earlier.
Can you remember the exact place and time you left it?
Let's search together, slowly and kindly, without blaming anyone today. This park looks normal. Let's check carefully around here together.
Nothing here yet. We will keep looking nearby calmly together.
Stay close to me. We will walk safely together now.
Wait, I see something strange near that garage there ahead.
Everyone look here. This might be important right now. Together.
Let's go this way and check carefully together now, slowly.
I feel nervous, but I hope my bike is here. I feel better now. Thank you everyone so much today.
Someone moved it inside to keep it safe earlier today.
The bike is fine. Everything works safely again together.
We found it. Next time, tell us first, please, okay?
We understand now. Thank you for helping together everyone today.
I feel much better now. My heart feels calm again. I am smiling again. Everything feels okay now with everyone here.
Let me explain calmly. This happened because someone tried to help.
I am listening carefully. I understand what you were saying.
No one is in trouble. We learn and do better next time.
Always tell us first before leaving your bike anywhere alone. Okay, I promise. I will remember this rule every time. The bike is back. It feels good to see it safe.
I will ride slowly and watch carefully this time around me.
We are proud of you. Thank you for being careful today.
I feel confident now. Riding feels fun and safe again.
This day ends happily. I love being together like this.